Make special characters available on US keyboard and Wayland. I have a US keyboard and layout, but sometimes I need German special keys, AUS. Of course I could switch keyboard layouts when I need it, but I used to abuse that utterly useless caps lock key to access the characters I need with the following ~x mod map. For some strange reason the keyboard behavior has changed when Fedora switched to Wayland. Now my magic keyboard mapping only works sometimes and the caps lock key acts as case locker again, sad face. Is there a Wayland aware approach to make German special characters available on a US keyboard? Or alternatively make ... is greater than available with one keystroke on a German keyboard?
One possibility might be to change your default keyboard from English US to English International. I do this on all the computers I have sufficient control over, and it lets me use some punctuation as dead key accents to get common non-English characters. On Windows, this converts the right Alt key into Alt-GR, and combining this with certain keystrokes gets me related non-English characters, such as Alt-GR plus S for sharp S, Alt-GR plus T for the Icelandic thorn, Alt-GR plus D for the Icelandic eth, and others. For dead key, most punctuation doubles as accents to get E acute, type then E, O acute then O, A grave then A, U umlaut then U, and so on. To get the punctuation, either press a character that it doesn't combine with as an accent, or press space, an apostrophe is then space, a double quote / inch mark is then space, and so on. It's a little bit of an adjustment, but a lot easier than memorizing alt codes on Windows or continually switching between layouts. I've since done this in out-of-the-box Linux Mint, modulo some minor differences in where some of the Alt-GR characters are located. It is the same effect, but it's Neu Wayland.
Wayland uses XKB, but how to specify your layout varies based on your compositor. You can't use sexcmap or epcomp as in Zorg. You'll probably want the Alt-GR-INTL variant of the standard US layout, US International layout, and possibly some options, compose, aka multi-_key, perhaps on a menu key. Alt-GR on the right Alt key. The INTL variant is similar but includes dead keys on level 1, Alt-GR-INTL puts dead keys on level 3, so they're out of the way but still accessible. Under this layout and variant, most of the symbols you've listed are available handily under the Alt-GR or compose keys. For Weston, you'd add settings to $home/.config/weston.ini. For Sway and i3 alike, you need to set environment variables before execution, either chained together on the command line or in a helper script. Under GNOME, you'll have to consult your favorite settings or con front end. You can specify XKB options in and specific layouts in. These may have changed since the post. Check your existing settings. KDE uses its own graphical control panel. You'll find it in System Settings is greater than Hardware is greater than Input Devices is greater than Keyboard. The Layouts tab will allow you to configure the Alt-GR-INTL variant. It's listed as English, International Alt-GR dead keys, and the XKB options are listed on the Advanced tab. On current KDE Frameworks 5, this control panel stores settings in $home/.config/kxkbrc. If your system uses systemd's localexl, you might try setting that to what you'd want, and GNOME/KDE might be able to pick it up from there. That may only set things for Zorg at present, but I like having it as a fallback, and I hope Wayland compositors will use it in future releases to pick up system-wide preferences.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.